Hi, Nadeep Singh.
Hi, hi Kunal. So, participants are coming.
Let's wait for some couple of minutes and then we can start.
Yeah. Hi Ramu. We'll start in a while once the participants will come. So we'll start,
Especially
especially
for
for
Python
Python
developers.
developers.
Ankur, yeah, hi,
Python.
Ankur. We will give you a generalized approach like to how to like approach any question, whether it is in C++, C or Python. You don't have to worry about the language at all.
Get yourself introduced meanwhile. Yeah, Ramu. We think we will introduce ourselves for sure, but let's wait for some participants.
Yeah.
Uh,
Let's wait for 4 to 5 minutes and then we will start. Not an
then
issue.
then we will start. So it's our first live interaction with you all. So that's why only me and Kunal came up. So from the further interactions, we will introduce some of the uh, colleagues working in some major companies like Amazon, Microsoft, or Swiggy. So we have decided them and we have talked with them, so they are ready. So for that, we just want that first we will introduce you ourselves and have some live interaction with you all. That what all the things you want, and so that we will discuss on that topics. So they will share you their experience. They have some. There are some of the people having their own startup, so they will share all the experience like how they grow in the college life, how they will grow with the like they do data structure as well as did their startup. So it will be very interesting for you all to listen that. So I think Kunal we should start, right?
Yeah, yeah, Nadeep, yeah,
So people will come up. Okay.
yeah.
So first of all, thank you all guys. Just because of you all, we are now a family of above 400. So soon we'll reach 500 and
Yeah.
more. So okay, so the placement season is going on. So I hope you all come up with a lot of queries. So we'll try to resolve all the things. And before moving to the questions and queries, so we'll introduce you ourselves. So first of my name is Navdeep, and I am working from past 7 months in Hashdin Technologies. So it's in Bangalore, and in that period of time, I have worked on various technologies. Like for the front end, I have worked on React JS, React Hooks, and React Native. All the things regarding React, React Query, React Saga, Redux Saga, and all. And for the backend, I have worked on the Python Flask, and so in this period of time, I learned a lot. Okay, so this is basic introduction of myself. So now Kunal will introduce you himself. So yeah, Kunal, continue.
Yeah, hi everyone. First of all, thanks to all to join us as for our first live. So before wasting your like any of your time, like let me introduce myself. My name is Kunal. I am working with Orlooms in Hyderabad from last 8 months, and within this short period of time, I am working in various technology like React.js, React Native, and in the backend, I am working on various framework like Spring Boot and Ruby on Rails. So be- uh, any other waste of your time, like let us about some of your questions. It will be good, Navdeep.
Yeah, it will be good. So now we can move on with the questions part. How's the work culture in Hashdin? Yeah, Ramu, it's good to work in Hashdin. Like they will manage all the things. Like they will manage all the things like the fun part and the extra events for the sports also and working part also. Like uh, when I was intern over there, so they will manage all the things like the food. The food is all free, you can eat anytime anything. They are all just all the tiffins and the boxes are full of things. You can eat anything, drink anything. And after that, on every Saturday, they organize some sports. That may be football, basketball, cricket, and many more, badminton like. And they also organize some internal events also. So in that, like they are very interesting. Like they involve all the people in the team. So it's very good culture to work in the Hastin. Yeah. So any more questions, guys?
Yeah, you guys can ask us any question like whether it is related to interview or it is company related, anything like what is actually happening inside the company, or like how to like join any company or a startup, or whether it is good to join a startup or a well organized company, or how to deal with the fang and all. You can ask anything.
Questions getting khatarnak day by day.
Thank you, Kunal.
Is it the work efficiency startup? No, actually, when you work in a startup, na, you learn a lot of things. There are, yeah, Nishant, I will come to your question also. So, Ramu, there are like a lot, like you work for the 8 to 10 hours. So, in that, when you working over that, na, you will, for the first time, first 2 to 3 days, you will think that you are take, you are working for a lot of hours. But when you start learning, na, you will think that I am learning, so I can work for more also. Like in the starting, I know that after 7:30 they will provide you the dinner, so we are just like before 6:30 and 6:45 we are like when food will came. But after some time, when we were working, so till 8:30 we are like the food is available, but we are just working on the thing that we'll try that once we finish this, and after that we will go for the food. So there is another question also for Nishant. Is there any office in Delhi NCR of Hasdin? No, Nishant, Hasdin is in Bangalore only and in USA. So Ankur says how to prepare for Hasdin like companies. So Kunal, would you like to give the answer
Yeah,
for Ankur?
problem solving assessment. Like I am talking about a DSA. Because why company are asking DSA is because the DSA is the only key to judge any student, like whether he is having a good logical skill or not. So it is so as my perspective, it is very good to in starting to work in a company like Hasdin, or in any startup, because if once you will work with any startup like Hasdin or Oyo, you will be highly confident in any tech. You will never feel low, like whether after the startup, you can work in any big tech like Amazon, Microsoft, or anything else. So you have to work more on the problem solving skill like DSA.
Yeah, like I also post a video for my Hasdin interview. So they mostly like the product based, like these startups or the startups, they will only ask you most of the questions about data structure and your projects. So as of now, in the colleges, you have less knowledge or less experience on any technology. So they only have only one thing
You have
to
to be
judge you.
good with
So they can
good
only
in
judge you
all
on
the
the
data
data
structure
structures,
skill.
and with the
So for that you
you
have to
have the
be good in
optimized
data
solution
structure.
also.
Yeah.
So I think we gave the answer to Ankur, and next is Ankit. How much time is required for DSA preparation, and from where we should prepare for DSA?
Yeah.
So Ankit, so if you are dedicatedly working for DSA, so you can complete it in 3 months only. So whether if you are a beginner, you can also do it in 3 to 4 months if you have a proper roadmap to do this DSA. Yeah, Kunal, would you like to add on more things?
Yeah, Navdeep. So I am completely inside of Navdeep that if you have proper roadmap, then you can have good understanding of DSA within 3 to 4 months. So after 3 to 4 months, you can practice more on the platform like Lead Code, Gigs for Gigs, so as to to make you highly confident in the interview. Yeah, yeah, that's it.
Yeah, once you start practicing question na, so when you go for interviews, you are like when interviewer just give you a question na, you are too much confident and you have 2 to 3 approaches to do any particular problem. So if you do with the dedication, you will definitely have this. Okay, so it's Ramu saying, what's the approximate salary for product-based startup considered hedged in itself? So
I
salaries
think
would be
I think this question is very subjective, Navdeep.
yeah, you can check on the Glassdoor also. Like
Yeah,
if you want to check for any company salary and you can watch the Glassdoor.
yeah. So
So
yeah, and there are a lot of difference between CTC and the actually salary that
yeah,
employees
in
get in their
hand.
hand. Yeah.
Yeah. So does project or development matter for software interview? Adi Sharma. So projects are definitely matter because at the end you have to work in the development part for the companies. So like not much, but you have a basic knowledge like in your curriculum in the college, you definitely made 3 to 4 projects. In if we say in the second, third, and fourth year, you will make 3 projects. So you should have a basic understanding that how the flow of the project is going on, which database you used, why you use this, why you made this project. So these are the basic things like you have a knowledge that why you use this technology only. So if you are confident about these things, so you will definitely crack this part of the project thing. Yeah. So MMUE
Yeah,
Mantralia.
and Ramu asked one question that they asked DS for senior position. So yes, Ramu. One of my friend, I am currently working in OYO, so I will share one of my experience. One of my senior friend was working with OYO from last 3 years. So he is currently working in Apple. 10% focus is on the JavaScript and all, but the 95% is focused on the DSA part only.
I think Kunal, we should go with the question by question. As if we go from the bottom now, so there are some questions with we will left with.
Yeah,
So
sure, sure, Nadeem.
okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So there is one question: do learning library and frameworks like React, Node.js help in college placements? So would you like to answer this, Kunal?
I think we already answered that question. One guy asked that whether the project is really matter in the interviews or not. Yeah, what is the MMU meme Mantralia? Yeah, it really matters that as Navdeep told that it really in the company also you have to work on the live project only. So yes, the framework like React, Node.js in the
There are some more questions. So Kshitij Bhatnagar says, how long does it take to learn React? Yeah. So you can, Kshitij, as you are in Hashdin, so you can learn in only 3 to 4 days. No, no, only 2 days. Yeah. So it's Ramu. Will they ask for D? Will they ask for DS for senior positions also? Yeah. If you apply for any post, they will ask you for DSA for sure. Like if you have 2 to 3 or to 5 to 7, how much experience you have, they will definitely ask you about the DSA. Boost best tools to learn Node.js Express. So Kunal, can you give this answer?
which question Navdeep?
Best best tools to learn Node.js Express.
Yeah. So you can learn the Node.js Express from one of the YouTube tutorial by Harshit Chaudhary. He's having a really good command in the Node, so you can go through it once. Otherwise, you can Node.js having a very good documentation. So I always prefer documentation as compared to any YouTube, like any random YouTube video. So first go through the documentation, and if you need any help, then you can go through the Harshi Chaudhary videos on.
Yeah, because videos take a lot of time, so documentation are like good.
The real
So
blueprint for
online
anything.
assessments for some online assessments for some companies are more complexly laid out as compared to interview questions. How to tackle them? Yeah, actually, to tackle these things, you should be good in DSA only. Yeah, I also give some coding assessments and coding rounds. They are really too difficult, but once you like, they have the process for shortlisting the people. Like if you go for some off-campus placements, or if you go for any off-campus placement, so there are around 500 or 600, and sometime more than this. So they would definitely ask you difficult, complex problems. So like there are like if I give you example of Hashdin also. So for the first round they gave us we are around 350, and after the first round of the coding round, only 5 hour goes for the interviews round. So like they have to shortlist some persons and want to like only get the best candidate, so the for them like to easy the interview process. So that's why they made some complex coding rounds. So Kunal,
I'll,
next question is for
yeah,
Nishant.
yeah. In addition to Navdeep, I want to add one. Navdeep, am I audible?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. In addition to add one more thing is, you told that the company online assessment are much more difficult as compared to the technical interviews round, right? So for tackle them, lead code. I always prefer lead code, and one more advice is that try to give the weekly test by the they are very good, and you will able to tackle that how to do the 3 to 4 question within 1.5 hours. So it will be very good for you.
Yeah. So Kunal is saying that you can practice on the lead code, and on every Sunday there is a contest in the morning 8 or 8:30. So in this contest you have to solve 4 problems in 1.5 hours. So this will help you really to do best in the coding problems, coding online coding events.
Yeah.
So Kunal, next question is for Nishant. For internships, projects are needed. Can we crack internships with competitive coding only? So
Uh,
can you answer this?
Yeah, Nishant, I before also like Navdeep and me told that for any position or whether it is internship, because in starting phase also Navdeep and me are intern in the respective firms. So we are having very good skill in the DSA, and we practice a lot on the platform like LeetCode, and like as you told that competition programming. Yeah, but there is a difference between competitive programming and the actual DSA. So we will shortly put a video on that also. And yeah, you can tackle any internship, any coding round, whether you are fresher or whether you are senior, with the help of the DSA or competitive programming.
No, no. Nishant is saying that can we crack internships with competitive coding only, or projects are needed?
The projector are definitely needed, as Navdeep told before also. Like for in the interviews round, you have to say something that what you actually do in the college time. And how
Yeah.
are you really into the software development part, or you are just are good in the logical skill?
Yeah, so projects are definitely needed for any interview. Uh, they are not want that you have to be just made two awesome projects. but the projects you made, you are confident about this and you have the knowledge of the project. So it's not like the two basic project, but yeah, according to you, like in the second year you can make a basic project, so they will say okay, like yeah, you are in the learning phase. So but your final year project or the third year project should be best, like should be good. So next question is for Ramu. What if we are good in DS and in technical we know only basics? The question is for senior position. Uh, no, Ramu, you should be like if you are applying for senior as well as for the intern also. So you should have knowledge of technical also, because at the end you have to work in the development. So for there you have to be good in the technical part also. DSA is just a key to help you to reach that platform, because first round is the coding round and in the interview most of our interview goes on the DS, but they also want the project rounds. In some companies and startups they only made one round for the projects, so you should be good in this also. But the first part is DS, so first you have to prepare the DS, after that you can go for other things.
And one more point
Hello
is that
Gajit.
yeah, and you are telling that it is for the senior position. So by default, I understand that you are asking about the software developer level two. So for the software developer level two, you have to be good in the other things like system design, and that completely come under the technical part, like how good you are in designing the various system in the software developer part, like designing the WhatsApp, designing the Uber app, like that.
So next question is by Adi. How much competitive programming matters in software interview? So Kunal, would you answer this?
In which question, Nodik? How much competitive
It's
program? Yeah. The Adi, I will tell you one thing that there is a very thin line between the competitive programming and DSA, and the actually interview preparation. So in the interviews round, they will mainly focus on the time complexity as well as space complexity. But in the competitive programming, space complexity does not matter that much. You can because in competitive programming we are using long int or double without a single thing. But in the interview preparation you have to think in by every bit, like whether to use integer, whether to use long, whether to use long, because space complexity and time are really matter in the actual project and as well as in interviews. So whether you are focusing on competitive programming or DSA, you should be good in every data structure, as Navdeep told before also, because
yeah,
because they can ask the question from any data structure or algorithm. So you have to be good in that.
yeah. Like for example, I will give you a short example. Like let's consider array. So when we are in a learning phase, when we first started learning data structure, so what we do is we just randomly assign an array of 1000 length or 10,000 length. So it acquires a lot of space. So after that, interviewer just wants that how many elements I want in the array. I just assign that much space to array, no extra space. So these are the things that Kunal are saying, that you have to be good with all the edge cases and all the other things. So this much competitive programming matters and you should be good in this. So Ankit says, in which year of college did you guys start preparing for DSA and placements? So Kunal, in which year you started?
In the I think in the starting of second year, and uh,
He's like
you started
he's very intelligent.
like you no, Navdeep. So before starting answering this question, we will tell you. We guys will tell you one thing. Navdeep and me, in the by the end of the first year, we really don't know what actually coding is, because we are coming from
Yeah,
very rural background, and we really don't know what actually coding is. So in the second year of college, we come to know about that coding is what coding and how really important it is, and what we can really do with the help of the coding. So the time matters. but your consistency really matter a lot. So the day you started, you should be consistent from the that day. That matter a lot in the placement.
Yeah. So in the at the end of first year, I really don't know why college is uh, why we have a subject of C language. I really don't know. So after the after in the mid of second year, so in the second year, third sem, I have a subject called DSA. So I don't know why is this, but after second year, I know that in the end of third sem, I know that yeah, why we are learning CSE, why we are in CSE. So, but we started preparing at the, I think in the third year. So, but if you are in the first or second year, you have time, you have like you have the knowledge that you have to do these things for interview. So you should start by early. You should start early. But also you should have fun in the college also, because that part will not came. So just because of COVID, we didn't receive our farewell. So we are really missing that. So you should fun in the college. Okay. So after that, there is one more question also. Can you tell some products developed in Hastin? Oh, okay. So I will tell you the product of Hastin, because we can't tell you with which client or with which thing we are working. So some product of Hastin are like you can see on the Play Store there is a product named Meet Notes. So you can check that and explore more on this.
Yeah,
Other
true.
other
Very
things
genuine answer.
you will know. Yeah, other things you will know once you will in Hashin. Yeah. Can you tell us about your final year major projects? Yeah, Kunal has have really good project for the final year. So Kunal will tell you this. Kunal will
Yeah, in the
just tell
yeah yeah
this.
yeah. So in the pre-final year, in the like in the third year, by the end of the third year, I like how much I know, like I have a basic knowledge, like I have a good knowledge in the machine learning, in the DSA, and some good understanding of networking also. So by combining all the three parts, I made a project known as the, like you might know about the project, like it is a kind of the fire based system, like or any kind of natural disaster system, like it is kind of it depend of the machine learning. Like we train a machine learning model, and it will not only tell you whether any disaster is coming or not, it will also tell you where to go. Like if you like I we me and Navdeep and actually in Haryana. So if the
Actually, Kunal, your voice is breaking. So
so Navdeep can continue that. Navdeep, you can continue. My voice is breaking.
yeah. I will continue this. So, for example, like if you are in a particular state, or like if I am in Haryana, so some disaster, for example, if tsunami is coming, okay, so the project that Kunal made, he will inform you that from which side the tsunami is coming, and from for where you have to go. Like for example, there are always the four directions where you can go. So if the tsunami is coming from north, so it will uh, inform you that you should not have to go in the north direction. You can either go in east, west, south. So he will show you the best path from where you can go to any other place. So that's why Kunal used the DSA in this also. So if you have knowledge of data structure, so you should have definitely listen about that shortest path, single source shortest path. So he implemented that in his project also. So that's how when you applied your DSA knowledge in your projects, that make your projects really awesome. So you should be good in these things. Okay. So any other question? Abha is saying teacher. Yeah, because he's my friend, so he's just watching us teaching. but we are just mentoring.
We are
So
not
any
teachers
other
here. We are
questions?
just mentors.
Yeah, we are not teachers. So
I
any
think
other
Navneet,
questions you guys have for us?
I think we can wind up now.
Yeah. So Ramu is saying looking for a job change. Any tips? Okay, Ramu wants to join. Any another?
Come.
So if you are working in any startup or any company, so in that company you have worked on various technologies. So you should before change to before going for any other interview. So you should have the good knowledge on which technologies you have worked on, and other than that you have the knowledge of data structure also. So it's the best way to crack any company. Nishant is saying data scientist and a software developer are two different streams. So, Kunal,
Yeah. Uh, in the data scientist, uh, you are mainly focused upon the how you implement the data, like how the two like you are having the some kind of data in the form of the in the form of the Excel sheet or anything or the raw data. You have to gather the useful information from that. That is basically a short note on data scientist. And then the software developer part, you have to actually develop the software that we are by the day of day using. We are using like we are using WhatsApp, we are using Instagram. So that are a pretty software developer part. And in the data scientist part, you can take a simple example, like you are having the set of data and you have to predict the next output from that data, or to find out the useful information from that. That is a pretty short note on data scientist.
yeah, okay. So, do anyone have any questions, or we should wind up? Abhinail, hello.
Hello Nilesh.
AI, AI, MLR, subjects of data science. Yeah, Kunal.
Yeah, actually AI is the you can take it as a superset, subset, and a set. They all are interlinked to each other. Like data science are the superset of of all the set, and AI and ML are the set of the data science.
Yeah. So your friend is asking how is life in corporate world?
Nilesh, Nilesh, it is exactly same as yours. Like how we are going to the phase of the from the shift from the caller life to the to the company life. It is completely same as yours. So you can answer better, I think.
Okay. Hello, Jacker. So I think we should wind up this lecture, okay? I
Yeah,
think we have answered all the questions. So, okay, guys, thanks for giving us the time and supporting us. So, yeah. So keep supporting us. We will organize some more events like these, and in those events uh, we will invite some good personalities. Those are working in the major companies like Microsoft, Amazon. So just sync up with us and okay, and prepare for DSA and all the best for your placement season. And I hope placements are going on. So thank you all. Okay,
thank you.
Kunal. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you very much, all. Thank you.
Have a
That's it.
great day, all. Have a great day, all. Okay, bye.